Here is one of the 3 pools over there, which has a swim-up bar, which is pretty cool. This is just a fountain. Over here is the elevator, and here is the end shop, which is, of course, a little overpriced, but you know, it's good for emergencies and stuff. There's Joe Cool's bar pizza grill that offers drinks and different foods and stuff. There is the pool bar. There's a little bridge over there, which is really cool. We're like legit in the jungle.
The maid's in our room.
Oh, nice.
So I came down and took a shower.
Here's the bridge that goes over to the other side. And over there are some really nice cabanas where you can chill if you don't want to tan. There's a giant game of Jenga. And this is Rick doing water aerobics, not knowing that I filmed him. Here is the entrance to the spa, which has a lot of different treatments, which is really cool. Also through here is an entrance to the second pool and also another restaurant. Here is a nighttime indoor-outdoor seating area, some restrooms. Here is the spa. They have rooms in there. They do all sorts of different treatments. Here's a little herb garden. Here's a little peek into the nail salon. The sports bar that has a pool table and seating area, outdoor seating area. Here's that chessboard I was talking about, which is kind of fun. And here's the pool. It's really cool, really cute. You can see there's some showers, and across there is that other pool. And here is probably our favorite restaurant, which is, well, favorite restaurant in the hotel, which is the Oceans restaurant, which is really nice. A little expensive, but very nice. Up here is another restaurant, which also is the breakfast buffet. Cheers, baby.
Cheers, baby.
Rising Cafe. Here's the birdie. Just wanna get through here. Here's where the eggs happen in the morning. That when because everything is put in our room, everything we do basically, so when they noticed that we didn't come to breakfast, they gave us a coupon for 2 for 1. So they do lure you in, but it's good to sort of not, I don't know, we don't want to spend too much money on hotel stuff, but the first few days we didn't, want to stress about finding a place, so we did it here just to relax. It's a really nice atmosphere and stuff. This is a super family friendly hotel, if you can't tell. And there's like this kids zone play thing, Kids World, which is like a fun like world in there. I don't know if you can see it, but you can put your kids up for that's another store. You can put your kids away for some babysitting if you want to have a romantic dinner, which I think is really nice. This is definitely a kind of place I would take my kids to when I have them one day in the future. Heading up to our room, which is up there. These are some of those plunge pool rooms. We were not lucky enough to get one of those. We also didn't pay for it, so I was just hoping we would randomly get an upgrade. They look so nice, but the sad thing is, like, I've never seen anyone use it. If I had one of those plunge pools, I'd be using it every day. I'm not kidding. I would be plunging it in the morning and plunging it at night right before bed. Because it is what we have from the balcony. Look how pretty this is. It's kind of a cloudy day, but still very nice. There's like a building next door that I'm not sure what it is. But it has a fountain. It's not on right now, but there's the maid. She's super cute. She's a badass, hardworking lady. I love that they have just like his and hers card, which is really cute. I used to work at a hotel, so I'm a sucker for details. And this hotel has got it. This is Rick's card. This is our bathroom. So this is my hangy thingy that I brought that we have like sunscreen and stuff in, my makeup, you know, stuff. Oh, she gave us more shampoo and stuff. They had a hairdryer, which is great because I got bangs and they need to be blow dried pretty much every day, which sucks. A little mess under here. Towels. They have a bidet, which is awesome. It's hardcore. It's good stuff, but it's hard to not get the water all over the place. It takes a little bit of practice. I love how they do this like little foldy thing on the toilet paper. This is the shower, which has one of these, which is great, and also has one of those. So it's pretty nice, spacious. The only thing is, we can see each other, which I think is like supposed to be like a romantic thing. It's actually quite annoying, especially like if one of us wakes up earlier in the morning and we turn on the light and like I'm sleeping right there and like the light just shines straight in my face because the light's pretty bright. Here are some of the goodies that we bought at 7-Eleven. And this that I bought at Boots. I'm so excited. It's the best scrub ever, just so you know. Also, I'd just like to say, I bought this, as you may know if you watched my packing video. I do not recommend this. I like bird bees, but this bastard like stings. I mean stings your face if you have been in the sun. So do not get this one. Get a different one. This is our 2 robes that we love. Here's where we put our shoes. Here's where Rick has his limited amount of clothes. Here's our safe, which is pretty good. There's a flashlight, because sometimes there are blackouts. We haven't needed it yet, but here is another closet where I have my backpack and some stuff that I have bought for presents and extra stuff. Here's our little, I don't know, messy table of things that you grab right before we leave. Here's my clothes, my swimwear and cover-ups and stuff. Here's our bed. It's king size, which is awesome. We're both really happy about it because we have so much more space than normal. Yeah. Here is where our snacks and coffee stuff and fridges. And would you know it, I found caviar, Norwegian freaking caviar, at a grocery store in Thailand. So I bought all the 3 tubes that were left. I'm wondering if there were other Norwegians there before me who took it. And then we have some fruit, some random sausages, some Coke, coconut water, soda waters, teas and stuff. Stuff like that. Little mirror, hello. TV, which has not a big enough selection of TV for Rick.
Yeah, just the National Geographic.
But yeah, National Geographic is awesome. We're very happy about that. Here's our little desk area that we share. I mean, I take up most of the space, but we both use it. Here's all my journaling stuff. Some of the things that I've been journaling for. A little seating area. And our balcony. We don't have the best view in the world, but it's nice to have a private little balcony. Super nice. And that's pretty much it for the Novotel Karon Beach Resort and Spa Hotel that we're staying in now. It's a really nice hotel. It's very family friendly. It's got 3 pools. It's got a good spa, some good restaurants, just really close to the beach. It's so pretty. One thing also that I'd like to say is that the staff are always working. Like, there's people everywhere always like working on something. Like, if there's any problems, they attack it like this. Like, the bed is the mattress is a little bit hard for me. I actually like hard mattresses, but it was just a little on the hard side. And I'm on vacation, so I just want to be comfortable. So I went down and I was like, hey, I'm sorry. And they're like, oh no. So they came up like within 10 minutes with like a big blanket that they put sort of underneath, on top of the mattress, underneath the sheets, which is really cool. And yeah, so the people that work here are really, really nice. Our cleaning lady is really funny, really sweet. She does a really great job. There's, I mean, lots of cleaning people here, but there's like, I don't know, people working by the pool, cleaning, sweeping everywhere all the time. It's really, really nice, and the receptionists are super, super nice. I've read some stories about some concierge people that have kind of not scammed, but they have sort of connections and stuff that they try to hook you up with to make like a commission or just put you on like the most expensive thing. But the people here are really honest and super sweet. They're like, oh, you know, we have a sort of limousine taxi service here at the hotel. I can tell you the prices here, but just around the corner there are taxi drivers and you can like negotiate with them and get a cheaper price. This is how much we would charge to go here, so you know that that's like expensive, so you can negotiate from there, and helpful things like that, which is really, really nice. Like, every day I go by and I'm like, what's a beach that doesn't have really big waves? What like is a good market that isn't like too big? Like, so every day I have like a question, and they're like, oh, like super friendly, and as they should be, you know. I've worked at a hotel and I know what the job involves, but they really, really do a great job.